good? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Monday.com for personal task management. Monday.com is a platform that will allow you to organize all your tasks so you'll be able to complete them in a timely manner. With Monday, you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. So you're going to go onto Monday.com, then tap on Get Started. From here, we're going to be signing up using our Google account. So let me do that real quick. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to this page, and we're going to be selecting personal, then tap on continue, then select what you would like to manage first. So whether you would like to manage marketing, product management, or so on, you can select whichever one of these options best describes what you would like to manage at the moment, or if you like to manage your finance. Then you're going to tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, select what you would like to focus on first. So would you like to focus on goals and strategy, business operation, task management, or so on? We're going to be selecting task management. Then tap on continue. Then one last question, how did you hear about Monday.com? And you can select whichever one of these options best suits you. Then you're going to tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you will be redirected to your Monday.com dashboard. If you would like to invite team members or so on, you can do that by inputting their email address. From here, you can give your first project a name. So I'm just going to call it test. Then I'm going to tap on next. Then let's select the relevant columns for your board. So you can see right here, we have owner, status, due date, and you can select also last updated or so on. I'm going to be selecting these options, and then I'm going to also be adding priority. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on next. What view would you like? The table view, which you can see right there, timeline view, calendar view, cards, or Gantt or Kanban. You can select any one of these options. I'm going to be selecting Kanban. Then you'll tap on Get Started. Automate your work to save time. Turn on the relevant automations for your needs. You can make changes later. So would you like to get a notification when the status is changed for a particular item or task? Or would you like to get a notification when a due date is close by? You can select that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Get Started. Then you'll be redirected to this page. And now this is how our Monday.com dashboard looks. So you can see right here, this is our dashboard. Now to create our first task, all you need to do, you can tap on New Task right here, or you can simply edit the current task by tapping on Task 1. We're going to tap on New Task. Then for example, let's say our first task is to create a YouTube video. We'll type in Create YouTube Video right here. After you have typed in Create YouTube Video, you will tap on Enter. Then from there, if you would like to add a note, you could do that by tapping here on the plus. You can write an update, as you can see right here. You can also add files that you can share with team members if you want, or so on. After you have done that, you can see the status. So from here, you can select the status. So you can select started, working on it, or whether you're stuck. You can also add in the due date. So let's say, for example, I would like the YouTube video to be created by the 28th. I can do that. Then I could select the priority. So it will be medium priority. Then from here, you can add in your budget. So let's say, for example, $50. And if you would like to upload better yet any files. So let's say, for example, I would like to upload a Google Drive file or so on. You can do that by tapping on files right there. Now, after you have done that, you can continue adding more tasks by simply going down. You can add task 2, task 3, task 4, and continue right along the line. After you have done that, you can tap on person right here, and you could see the different team members and so on. You can also go over to the left hand menu option right where you see workspace, and you could tap on the plus, and from there you could add a new workspace if you want. And again, you can choose whether you like to add a board, a document, or so on. Let's say for example we wanted to add a new board. You could do that by tapping there. Then you could input the board name. Then from here you can select the privacy, whether you like it to be main or private, or you like it to be shareable where team members will be able to see it, and so on. So we are going to be selecting private. Then you can see select what you're managing on this board, and you can choose whether it is employee, projects, tasks, or so on. Since on the first board we were managing tasks, for this one I'm going to be selecting budgets. Then we're going to tap on create board. So now that I've selected create board, you can see that we now have two boards, as you can see right here. So I have the first board that would be for the tasks. Then I have the second board that I'll be using for budget. And again, to add a new budget, we'll tap on new budget right here. Then from there, you can give the budget name. You can also assign it to a person. You can also add the status, and you can add the date right there, the due date. And you can tap on the plus here to add a column if you want. So from there, you can choose from any one of these column options. It's as easy as that to set up monday.com. So whether you like to manage tasks, project management, or any one of those options, you can quickly do that using monday.com. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.